Hi everyone, this is Ants. This is weekend 4 of my migration from libGDX to Godot on my game Raid on Bungeling Bay 3D. So let's get started. So this is going to be a quick video because it's all kind of visual and they all kind of are all at the same time. So let's get started. So basically I worked on particle effects, i.e. explosion, impacts, and smoke. So when I get hit, there is an effect. And when I shoot and hit other things, there's like a shrapnel and all that, but then there's also an explosion, and this is for the factory. And the factory, when it destroys, there is also new effects. So first thing is, the factory actually looks like it's destroyed, and there's smoke that is coming out, and that smoke is only 5 particles, which is very cheap for the effect. And I should make it a little bit bigger, and again it's all tweaking after that, but this smoke is very cheap in terms of performance. So and that's a cruise missile. So there are other thing I did is implemented the cruise missile and the cruise missile mechanics, i.e. you could shoot down the cruise missile, and the cruise missile hits the carrier and explodes. I'm going to shoot down the next cruise missile, so I'm going to show you that you could shoot them down. As you can see, there's that. And the other things that I did, I'm going to move this out of the way now, is I created a HUD. Oh, I ran out of fuel. I wasn't keeping track. See the fuel? So I implemented that, and that wasn't on the list, but I did that. That's always fun. And yeah, so I created a HUD. And again, this is super simple. I just wanted to make sure it's there because it actually helps me on testing the win scenarios and the lose scenarios and that sort of thing. The score and the time has been implemented. And a pause menu, in-game menu. So this pauses everything. And you could go to settings, or you could resume the game or quit the game. It's actually quite useful. If there's a phone call, you just click on, game menu, you stop, and then you resume the game. So that's been done too. And believe it or not, I've also implemented, I sunk the ship. I implemented the win and lose scenario, which means the game is kind of done. Believe it or not, it's playable. You could win the game and you could lose the game. But there's still a lot of things I still need to do. I want a help menu, like a help thing where you click on that help, it shows you all the keys. Scrolling combat text, the score screen, and it shows you all the statistics. I keep track of a lot of statistics, like how many shots you fired, how many you missed, how many times your carrier was attacked, all sorts of stuff, so that you could compete with other people or put in achievements. I mean, there's a lot of things you could do with those statistics. And also the uploading of the scores to the Game Jolt, that sort of thing. So there's still a lot of things to do. I'm going to run out of fuel again, but I'm going to do it at full speed. So let's go. All right, let's see how this works. Oh! And as you can see, helicopters remaining, everything is, and the resetting, so resetting everything. Yeah, it's basically almost done after 4 weekends. Can you believe that? Okay, anyway, so that's basically it. Again, the next couple of weeks are basically just polishing and adding kind of exactly what I just talked about. But yeah, so hopefully by the end of the summer, I'll have it on the web on itch.io. So yeah, that'll be great. Having tons of fun with Godot. Anyways, take care. Bye.